Here at MakuSafe, our wearable technology is leading the way in safety and health management, reducing incidents and workers' compensation claims, as well as impacting operational productivity and efficiency. This matchbox-sized device carries a wide array of IoT-enabled sensors that can be game-changing for an organization. This includes real-time monitoring of a multitude of ever-changing environmental conditions like sound exposure, air quality, or heat index, identifying potential hazardous human motion like slips, trips, or falls, and understanding the overall physicality and effort being put forth in work. We can now begin to focus on where musculoskeletal disorders, strains, or exertion injuries may occur. A push-to-talk feature that allows reporting of near misses and observations from the front lines without stopping productivity or filling out paperwork. And optics into where these things are occurring. The leading indicators automatically detected, overlaid on a facility floor plan, begin to reveal patterns and trends. GPS-enriched data from workers in the field provides understanding of what they're experiencing. Detecting worker-to-worker proximity enables on-demand contact tracing. And there are now numerous possibilities for integrating the connected worker with the smart equipment and facilities around them for Industry 4.0 opportunities. The future is bright, and we embrace using data and technology to make it a safer place.